Okay, so I'm just going to show you my homemade uncapping tank. It's pretty simple. I've been beekeeping for just over 10 years, and I was thinking this year about upgrading to a commercial uncapping tank. But you know what? For $20 I bought a new tote container because my old one was leaking. This one has seen better days too, but it still does the job. So real quick and easy. We've got two totes. One ideally is a little bit smaller than the other one, so it fits inside, like so, nests. And the one that's going to be inside has the bottom cut out of it. Third step is I found a utensil holder. This is stainless steel. It's, I don't know, about 2 inches thick. I put this at the bottom, right here. And then this guy just goes on top, like so. It just sits right at the bottom there. The wax will fall and sit on top of the stainless steel, and the honey flows through. See all the wax cappings down at the bottom there, sitting on top of the stainless steel utensil holder. You can see all the nice honey at the bottom there. There's probably a good 2 or 3 pounds of honey. Nice clean honey without the cappings. So the one thing that this is missing obviously is a spout where you could drain your honey. For me, it's not much of an issue because I don't have a lot of hives. I usually have under a dozen colonies going at any given point. For me, this is perfect. I just do a few frames at a time. I lift my, scrape my wax out, put it into a strainer, let that honey drip out, and then I just collect my honey from here. This was probably the most expensive. No, I guess these two were the most expensive. They were like 15 bucks each, so 30 bucks, another 15 bucks for this. Under 50 bucks, you've got an uncapping tank that literally has lasted me for 10 years. Go bees.